Second thing. It's right there on that pile of bushes here.
No, I just see a bunch of dirt.
Straight down. Cross flow behind the dog.
Oh, yeah. But I see all the turkeys right there.
Yeah, we see that. Those are the conifers.
Okay.
They don't see the dog.
Probably get a shot.
Doesn't he? Doesn't he? If you can shoot that straight or use the second mark.
I can't. There's another bush.
Just wait. They just need to come a little bit. They gotta see that Jake deeper. Easy.
Busy.
Right, they're going to the right.
Alright, so I see the second one down.
See this first guy?
Yeah,
You're gonna use the top cross arrow now.
the top one.
Yes.
Right in the white, right?
Yeah. Wait, you gotta stick right in front of the bow. You see it? Shoot him. Shot way low. Right there. Good. Take your time. Put it on his side. Got that one. I knew. See, they couldn't see that decoy the whole time. I knew once they saw the decoy at the end. Well, guys, it was kind of hectic this morning. Forgot the bow at the house, crossbow, and I had to go back and get it. Got in here late, couldn't make it to the blind. We had a Jake come in, he busted us, and then finally we had all these birds gobbling back here. And finally, we got them to come, and I think the only reason they came is because one of the hens kind of fed down through here, and they kind of worked their way in, and they got out here. It was like 25 yards, and she shot under one, and they got out here, and they just kept strutting around. So I somehow, with them at 45 yards, got the crossbow cocked back again, and our saving grace was that we had a hen come in behind the us, like, she was about 5 feet from me, 6 feet. She was close. So I think that kind of calmed them down, and they started working their way. I kept like doing a couple soft calls, and they got to here, and they saw the decoy, and that was it, man. They finally, they couldn't see it before where they was sitting at, and they finally they were hitting it and batting it, and she shot and
Missed.
She didn't miss. She cut feathers off. There's a bunch of tail feathers from about here up on one of the birds, I guess. Yeah, but she cut some tail feathers on it. That's all. You know, arrow was good other than that. But they were sitting there, and I got the crossbow cocked back again, and she took her time and she thumped this one hard. I mean, I ran up here and to make sure, but he was dead. I mean, she smoked him. So it's always an adventure. But birds are still hammering. Dad's in a blind about 400 yards from us. He's working birds, so might get a double. But we're gonna get out of here before we mess it up anymore. Probably come back next week.